Morning student, you are now in ninth class. There are some general instructions. First, make a good quality of register and divide it into four parts: one for history, one for geography, one for economics, and one for civics. Before writing anything, make a index and then after write the syllabus. I will send you the syllabus in the PDF form. Now we are going to start our first chapter, India, size and location. Let us look about the chapter. India lies extremely in the northern hemisphere. This is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. Here the India is located in the northern hemisphere. This is the map of India. Look at the map of India. It is located in the 8.4 north to 37.6 in the north, 68.7 in the east to 97.25 in the east. Here is the Tropic of Cancer. Here is the Tropic of Cancer, which divided India into two equal parts. Tropic of Cancer passes from 23.5 north and divide it into equal two parts. I hope you have understand the location of India. Now the size of India. India is the seventh largest country of the world. India cover about 3.28 million square kilometer. India has 3.28 million square kilometer of landmass and it covers 2.4% of the world geographical area. India has the boundary of about 15,000 km and a coastal line of 7,516.6 km. Here is the coastal line. The places which are nearby the sea are called the coastal line. It covers about 7,516.6 km. India's boundary is by the Yangfold mountain, which is known as Himalayas, the northwest. Southwest is 22 north latitude. It began of the topper and extend toward the Indian Ocean. Here is the Indian Ocean. On the eastern side we have Bay of Bengal. On the western side we have Arabian Sea. From Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, there is a lap of 2 hours. How many hours? 2 hours. That's why here the timeline has been passed. It is our standard median time, which passes from the Mirzapur of Uttar Pradesh near the Naini, state of Allahabad. India and the world. India is in the Asia continent. India is located and its neighbor countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. These are our neighbor countries which touch the boundaries of India and Bay of Bengal. It was also known as the Eastern Pakistan. After the dividation, India was divided into Western Pakistan and Eastern Pakistan. In the year of 1972, Eastern Pakistan was divided into Bangladesh. Now it is called the Bangladesh. India has a long coastal line. Which help us to sea routes or for the other countries for the trading. India is connected with the road network to the Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan and China. We can go to Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal and China by the land route also. India is connected with the land also. Now, let us discuss some exercise of the book. Choose the right answer of the alternative given. The Tropic of Cancer does not passes through. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass. Look at the map. It is passes from Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Mizoram. And now look at the it is 97.25 east. The easternmost longitude of India is 97.25. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers with the neighbor countries of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim. Which country touch the boundary line of these states is if you have intended to visit Kavitri during your summer vacation, which one of the following Indian territories of India will you go to? We have go to Lakshadweep. Where we have to go? Lakshadweep. Next question. My friends hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify that country. Bhutan, Tajikistan, Bangladesh and Nepal. It is Tajikistan because Tajikistan does not touch the boundary of India. Bhutan, Bangladesh and Nepal touch the boundary of India. Now the NCERT questions which is given on your book you have to do in your notebook. Extra questions I will provide in the PDF form. Thank you.